Good morning. Happy Friday. Glad to be in the week. Bit goose, to be honest with you. I'm actually just waiting for a phone call off my wife. I'm quite an active sleeper, and last night I was pushing her out of bed, talking. I had a pillow on top of my head. Couldn't find a pillow when she woke me up. I don't know. Just what I do. Yeah, so today is the big dig out. Once again, everything's going to plan. Grab wagons are booked in all the way up till my bank holiday. Booked in for Tuesday. Diggers booked for the weekend. Over the weekend, should I say. There's no point in coming all the way out here to pick it up to drop me back off. So we're not using it anyway. We're not working, so that's staying. So Tuesday, obviously, straight at it, bang. But yeah, that's it really. Tell you something about a Friday. Going through Leeds is quiet. I don't know if people do office days on a Tuesday and a Thursday or what, but it was dead this morning. We're almost like a Saturday. You know, it just flew through armor gyrator and everything. So, but yes, let's crack on. I'm excited for the day. I'm excited. Let's crack on. Right, we're done. So my GoPro just died then. So what I've done is I've come all the way, started over there where you saw me, come all the way along, getting the height of the Indian. And what it's done, all the way over there, exposed it. 400mm still needs to come out from behind this pile. So this pile's on top of 400mm, so it's not as big as what it looks really. But it's funny because this side's 400mm as well, where we started. And behind this pile, I stopped actually digging because I was like, oh, I'm going too deep. That way I was going too deep is actually 300mm high. So we've still got another, just worked out, 45 tonne to dig out. So bring on Monday, bring on Tuesday, bank holiday, bring on Tuesday. But yeah, 2 o'clock, we are having an early one today. We're going to enjoy this bank holiday since we've worked all of us and just absolutely annihilated his livers and stuff in Benidorm. We're going to enjoy this one and chill out. And only thing I'm booked in for is kids training tomorrow, Saturday. Sunday, Frankie's last game in Manchester for the season, which they may get promoted to the Manchester Premier League. And then on Monday, I'm off out for a meal in Haworth, which I've been up there for a while, but it's supposed to rain, so we're either just stay in pubs, we're off with family and stuff, stay in pubs, or go for a mooch if it's nice. So, but we'll see. So, have a good one. I'll see you on Tuesday, 8 o'clock sharp.